Pumpkin steamed drumstick. The chicken tastes delicious and nutritious. It is simple to make. Pumpkin tastes soft, tender and sweet. It's delicious and goes well with rice. Let's learn how to make it now. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, pumpkin is incredibly healthy. What's more, its low-calorie content makes it a weight loss-friendly food. Its nutrients and antioxidants may boost your immune system, protect your eyesight, lower your risk of certain cancers, and promote heart and skin health. This recipe is simple and time-saving, perfect to cook during busy working days. Let's start cooking now. Pumpkin. Boneless drumsticks. Pumpkin remove seeds with spoon. Off the skin. Cubes pumpkin. Sliced ginger. Cut chicken into small cubes. One teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 cup Shaoxing wine. Ginger slices. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix well. Add pumpkin cubes and mix well. Pour into steam plate. Sprinkle remaining ginger slices. Put into steamer steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Steamed pumpkin chicken is done. Smells so good. Let's enjoy this delicious steamed pumpkin drumstick now. The chicken is tender and delicious. The pumpkin is soft, glutinous and sweet, and the soup is good to go with rice. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, pumpkin is incredibly healthy. What's more, its low-calorie content makes it a weight loss-friendly food. Its nutrients and antioxidants may boost your immune system, protect your eyesight, lower your risk of certain cancers, and promote heart and skin health. Pumpkin is rich in potassium, which research suggests may help decrease blood pressure. In addition, pumpkin contains antioxidants, like vitamin C, which help promote healthy skin. The low sugar and carbs content of pumpkin makes it fine for diabetics to consume it in moderation. Pumpkin is healthy and considered safe for most, but some people might experience allergies after eating pumpkin. It's mildly diuretic in nature and may harm people who take medicines such as lithium. Pumpkin is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein. These antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can help reduce uric acid levels. Apart from this, the fiber in pumpkin increases the metabolic rate and is helpful in digesting purine. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of magnesium, another mineral known to reduce inflammation. Eating pumpkin is good for the heart. The fiber, potassium, and vitamin C content in pumpkin all support heart health. Pumpkins are not only good for carving and baking pies, but they're also good for your eyes. Pumpkin, a carotenoid, is rich in nutrients linked to eye and overall health, including age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.